Be on the surface a much better one than in the game against South Africa. We'll have to wait here because Yuvraj has again cleared the boundary. Only just this time. But I think it will be 6. Looks an awesome touch already.
To be honest, we want him to bat the whole 20 overs because the kind of nick he's in, he can really get us a very good total and so that we can just fight out and win this game for India.
Now the pitch, much better pitch.
It's a much better pitch. It's pretty similar to the track which we played against England. And we think that 170, 180 will be a very good total. And if Yuvraj stays there, who knows, he might get much more than that.
On his way again. Can't take your eyes off the ball with Yuvraj on strike. He'll get a single this time. No, goes back for 2. These 2 are quick and gets it easily.
The fifth bowler especially because Yuvraj got 19 of 2 overs of Simon. So I think that he's going to be targeting, really looking to win this game.
Here goes Clark. Yuvraj goes in the air. And a great effort in the deep. It was Matthew Hayden diving forward. Never easy. Didn't quite carry to him. But this is a good start. 101 in quick time.
Yeah, the way Yuvraj has batted and he's an awesome touch and he's really get us a very good platform so that the other batsmen can really capitalize from here.
Thanks a lot, Gautam. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Well, there you go.
Would have been the catch of the tournament, maybe. Fine legs inside. Will square leg get there just about, and they'll get another 2. They're running well, these 2. Australian fielders scattered all over. Brad Hodge, well, they'll give it everything. Out of the ground. By some distance. You cannot drop your length by an inch.
Yes, because he's so quick to transfer his way. Look at the way he's just swiveled onto the back foot and getting his half century with that. Just transferring his balance. Oh, lovely shot.
I'll tell you what, I hope they don't shorten the boundaries because they don't need to in this format. 17 from the over, 21 from the over. Yuvraj has gone berserk. 55 from 22. India 113 for 2.